Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here, and it's Hadrian's mom.
It's Hadrian's mom.
Say hi, mom.
Hello.
How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. So you guys really wanted some cooking videos, so here I am with mom. We forced her to do this.
Forced.
So today we're gonna be making, what are we making, mom?
We're making focaccia bread.
Focaccia bread. And to make it a little more exciting,
we're making it into like an art.
yeah, so mom and I are gonna do like, so you can do this with your kids, you can do this as adults.
Yes.
It's gonna be super duper fun. Yes. We're gonna be decorating using
tomatoes.
Using tomatoes.
Red onions.
Red onions, tomatoes, and then we have green onions.
I have this green onions growing.
Mom literally just grew it from the onion that we got from the store. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna throw you guys over to when we made the bread, the dough part earlier, which is already here. And then we'll meet you guys back here, and then we're gonna show you guys how we're gonna start doing our little food project. Alright you guys, we're gonna be doing a little voiceover for this section, but we're gonna start off with a cup of warm water between 105 and 110, and we're gonna add a tablespoon of yeast, as well as some sugar or honey to taste, whatever you prefer. And then in the mixer, we're gonna be putting 3 cups of flour and a tablespoon of salt, and we're gonna add the water while everything's mixing up. Once all that is added in, we're going to add a little bit of oil. You just keep adding it little by little until everything coagulates and comes together to make like a nice like piece of dough. And you're gonna leave that in there for about 3 minutes, mixing up and just getting everything incorporated. And then after that, you're going to grease a bowl with some olive oil, and you're gonna put that dough inside so that you can let it rise. So don't forget to cover it with some saran wrap. And we're gonna put it in the oven with a cup of warm water, and we're gonna keep it in there for about like maybe 1 hour to 2 hours.
Okay, let's check. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh!
It got even
It
bigger.
exploded. Did it stick to the thing? It did. It's okay.
It's even. Oh my God. I can't believe this. This is like the biggest dough I've ever seen in my life.
How did that happen?
I don't know.
Alright you guys, we are back. Mom is already flouring the table so that the dough doesn't stick on there. And here's our dough. We just had it in the oven. Took it out. The oven wasn't on. But
oh, we have to turn on the oven.
no. Oh, right now.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna preheat our oven
Heat the oven to 400.
400 degrees.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm setting the oven 400. So this dough is really, really awesome because not only can you use it for focaccia, but this is mom's all-purpose dough that we also use to make biscuits, pizza, and
no, we make you know that the spicy bread that Daddy likes. The jalapeno
you
bread.
can also make jalapeno bread. It's so delicious. Cheesy jalapeno bread.
Yes.
It's so
Because
good.
this dough is so.
It's so bouncy. Okay, so explain what you're doing.
Okay, we'll make two things out of this dough. You can make 2 pizza, 4 pizza. It depends on how big you want it to be.
So we're cutting it into
So we're just going to cut it into
2 parts for our focaccia.
Yeah.
So we can each have like a good size piece to work with.
I want my thing to be a little bit big. Where's my? Oh,
Okay, our rolling pins.
So we're just going to roll this, make it into like an oblong kind of thing. And
Okay, so here we are.
so here.
All the cameras are like so crazy. Okay, so you're rolling it with your rolling pin. Is there any sort of technique that you have to do? Do you start from the middle going out? Do you start from the top to the bottom? What do you do?
We just start from the middle, going out, make it oblong because I want it to shape like.
So we're making it in the shape of an oval. I'm gonna make mine look like a Faberge egg.
I'm going to make mine like a painting. Okay, so that's good. That should be good. Let's put some oil in this.
Yeah, so we're putting oil right here onto our cookie sheet. Ooh.
I'll put our thing here. Ooh.
Put it over here. So this is how it looks. We have our focaccia on our baking sheet with our non-stick cooking thingamabobber underneath. We put some olive oil and Mom's just stretching it out.
Yes.
So that's our first one. We're gonna get the second one ready, then we're gonna start decorating, which is the most exciting part. But what are you gonna do to this? So you're gonna put a little olive oil.
A little olive oil. Maybe I'll sprinkle some pizza.
Do you want, wait, let's do that after. Let's just leave this first, no? Let's look at Mom's spice drawer.
My spice drawer.
So many spices.
That is messy.
That's paprika.
We don't have a
We
lot.
found our pizza seasoning. It's from Williams Sonoma, if anyone's interested.
Yes.
But it's super caramel.
No, you have to show the name.
There we go. It's from Williams Sonoma. A little bit goes a long way. This thing, how long have you had this? Forever, right?
Yeah.
So it does last a really long time, even though it is. Oh, it's only $6. It's not too expensive.
Yes.
And we've had this forever.
And let me get my beautiful.
Wait, Mom, we're not doing it yet. Hold on, we have to do the other one. We're making it together.
Oh, we're making it together?
Yeah. So let's do the other one first, and then we'll start.
So what shape do you want yours?
Oh. I told you, Faberge. I'm making mine Easter themed.
Okay.
Okay. Mine might turn into a different shape by then. It's gonna become like a.
Oh, I like my shape.
Mine's gonna become an octagon.
Okay, I'm excited with this.
Okay, so show everyone what you're gonna do. Hold on, let's scoot over so we can both be in frame together. There we go.
Then we're going to cut some of this green onions that are growing from my onion.
Okay, so our theme is spring. Spring. Flowers. April showers bring me flowers. Ooh. Mom likes my theme. Ooh, Mom, yours is already pretty. Hold on, cut some of mine. Cut some for me too.
Yeah.
Mom, mine's too big. I need scissors.
You can just cut the bottom. Make it big.
Yeah, but mine keeps shrinking, so I have to like compensate for it.
It won't grow. It will grow. It will get. Oh, look at that.
Oh, I want the okay. Mine's gonna be like.
Ah, this is so pretty.
Is mine gonna be like a bouquet?
Mine is going to be so pretty. And then I'm going to put.
I don't know how Mom's already knowing what she's doing. Mine's gonna be like a hot mess. Okay, so then we have our cherry tomatoes, and we're gonna use these kind of like as the little flowers.
Yes.
And it's gonna look super. Oh my gosh, it got really windy outside. And we're gonna use these as like little flowers. Super cute.
Cutting board.
Put it away. I'm gonna put this one on top. look at this. I want a big yellow one.
You're copying mine. You said you're going to make your own.
Yeah, I'm just copying yours now because I didn't think it was gonna be this hard. Wait a minute, I need more of this stuff.
See, look at that. I have leaves.
Mom, yours is so cute.
Oh, diba? Yes.
Wait a minute, why does yours have special cutting techniques? I'm gonna need some of these onions.
That. Look at this.
Mine is becoming uglier by the second. Wait, I changed my mind, I don't want the onions. Mom!
What?
Yours is so cute.
Diba?
Mine looks like a hot mess.
There you go.
Wait, look at, I cut mine into this. Oh, it's so ugly. I changed my mind. I don't want to make my ugly one. I'm just gonna eat it. Mmm, delicious.
Look at mine. So pretty. Oh,
Hold on, I'm just gonna copy yours.
it's beautiful.
Time out, I'm just gonna copy Mom.
Leaves.
I'm gonna copy someone who knows what they're doing.
Leaves. Leaves.
Because mine is like the
Oh my
hottest
God,
of
it's
the
so
messes.
pretty. I'm so excited. Oh, tignan mo dami. So cute! Look at that! Masterpiece.
Yeah, look at mine. Hot mess.
Ang ganda din yan.
And then I'm gonna zhuzh it
And
up.
then I'm going
with
to take a
some
picture with my
onions.
camera.
Your phone?
Your phone.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Is it over there on that side?
Okay.
You find it?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm about to put mine up a notch. Ooh, look at mine has a bow!
It's mine.
Well, let's take a pic. Ooh, how photogenic mine looks. Ooh, mine looks like you made it.
Okay, I do not make anything like this.
And now we're gonna top it off with a little bit more
Little bit
oil.
more oil.
I also want to take a couple little selfies of mine too. Look at that, that looks fantastic. Mom, look at mine, looks so cute.
Oh, so cute. Look at that.
Hold on, my camera lens is dirty. Look at me like a proud dad. Mine's already shrinking.
Let's put it in. Oh, it's almost.
Okay, so we're waiting for our oven to get to
Temperature.
the proper temperature. I'm gonna add a couple more to mine. No, it's already full. Wait, did you add garlic to yours?
No.
Should I add garlic? Should I add a little cheese to mine? Like a
Yeah,
little
I was going
mozzarella
to-
cheese?
I was going to add cheese, but I don't want to ruin it.
We're not gonna
Ruin it.
ruin our beauty with cheese.
Yeah.
But I am gonna add more of this because I love onions. Yes. I'm definitely not a vampire.
Let's put some. I'm putting so many things.
Something green. Do we have basil? No, we don't.
No, we're not going to put basil. No.
Oh.
Well, you can put that.
No.
I know basil.
I'm gonna put everything but the bagel seasoning on mine. Alright, we just put our babies in the oven. Now how long are we gonna put them in there for, Mom?
What was it now? 12 minutes?
We'll check at 12 minutes. Alright, we'll be right back.
12 minutes. Bakery.
Whoa! How cute!
Look at that.
That looks so nice.
So pretty.
Look at mine!
So pretty.
Mine is so cute too.
One before us.
We made focaccia.
Yep.
Wow.
Hello. Oh, gee, I formed it. I don't know which one is better. Both of yours?
Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They came out so nice. This was so fun. Okay, so I just grated some fresh Parmesan cheese on top of the focaccias and they look so good, you guys. Ah, so excited. Yeah. Can we just say hello to our focaccia breads one more time? There's Mom's, and then there's mine. Alright, Mom's cutting up her pizza. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Wait, that's focaccia. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the rest of our videos. We post videos
Look at
every
that.
single day.
That is
And
so good.
how is it, Mom?
Oh my gosh, so good.
Alright guys, love you guys immensely. We'll see you guys all in tomorrow's video. Bright and early at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Love you guys so much. Bye! Who's really excited that your groceries are coming today?
I hope.
She thought her groceries were gonna come on Monday, but then she looked at the thing and it said Wednesday. We were like waiting all day on Monday and we were like, it never came. What happened to our Costco order?
I have one more grocery order from Sam's on the 24th.
The 24th? That's next week, right? Yeah.